Welcome. In this video, we'll explore effective study techniques designed to help you excel in competitive exams. Let's dive into strategies that can transform your approach to learning and make your study sessions more productive and efficient. Excelling in competitive exams requires both mental and physical preparedness. Let's focus on these key aspects for peak performance. A well-structured study plan is your roadmap to success. It helps you stay organized and focused. Efficient time management is crucial. Maximize your study hours by employing effective strategies. The Pomodoro technique involves short, focused bursts of study, followed by brief breaks. This keeps you refreshed and prevents burnout. Regular breaks are essential. They help recharge your mind and maintain focus. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time for better comprehension and retention. Employ memory and recall strategies to solidify your learning. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing key information. Create and use them actively. Highlighting can help you focus on key information and make connections between concepts. Summarizing helps you condense information and understand it better. Write down the main points in your own words. Engage in active learning by applying what you study, not just reading passively. Consistent practice reinforces learning and improves problem-solving skills. Actively recall information by testing yourself without referring to your notes. This strengthens memory. Spaced repetition involves reviewing information at increasing intervals. It helps with long-term retention. Use visual and organizational aids to help you structure and retain information. Mind mapping helps visually organize concepts and see connections between different ideas. Effective note-taking is key. Write down key information and your own insights. Teaching or applying knowledge helps solidify your own understanding. Explaining concepts to others forces you to articulate and understand them better. Practice questions are crucial for testing your understanding and preparing for the exam format. Remember, success comes with consistency, effort, and utilizing effective strategies. Finding what study techniques work best for you is key to your success. Experiment and adapt. Combine different techniques to keep your study sessions interesting and engaging. This maximizes your learning potential.